What happens if you try Fiverr AI gigs for 24 hours? Can you actually make money? Or is it just hype? So I decided to test it. I spent 24 hours trying AI gigs on Fiverr. And the results were surprising. Fiverr is one of the most popular platforms for freelancers. And now, AI services are everywhere. People are selling content, voiceovers, thumbnails, and more. So I wanted to see, can a complete beginner actually earn? Step 1. Setting up. I created a simple Fiverr profile. No fancy design, just a basic setup. Then I listed a simple AI service. Content creation. Step 2. Creating the gig. I made a clear offer. I will create content using AI. Simple, no confusion. Step 3. Waiting for orders. Now came the hard part. Waiting. At first, nothing happened. No clicks, no orders. And this is where most people quit. Step 4. Taking action. So instead of waiting, I promoted my gig, shared it, improved the description, made small changes. Step 5. The result. After testing for 24 hours. Did I make money? Not instantly, but I got impressions, clicks, and even interest, which means, it works. What I learned. Fiverr is not instant money. You need patience, optimization, and consistency. Final thoughts. Making money with AI on Fiverr is possible. But it's not magic. If you stay consistent, you can grow. Subscribe for more real AI experiments. See you next time.